Is your non-Windows app crashing because of the Bmaframe DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. This DLL file is a component of the BattleNet app framework. It manages the graphical user interface elements, framing, and layout rendering for the Blizzard launcher, ensuring a consistent visual experience across their game library. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. The Bmaframe.dll is functionally required for BattleNet to operate. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of BattleNet from the developer will repair any missing or broken application files found in your system. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Bmaframe. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Safety first, never attempt to replace the Bmaframe DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines the Bmaframe optimization concepts. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time Battle.net encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.